plays a better Geralt. I have access to it, but I haven't gotten it lately, China. I think I keep forgetting about the pink Penalen. Henry Cape, I agree. I like him. I know, it's almost like it's like a just kidding, the new one. What's the new guy's name? Is that Miley Cyrus's ex-boyfriend? His name. Oh man. Wait, China, you're obsessed with what? With Pink Penalen? Liam, yeah. Liam's the new, okay. He has a brother too that's an actor, right? Man, this is good, you guys. Oh, okay, honey, I'll get you some. You want me to Instacart some Pink Penalen right now? I mean, I have an Instacart order that's coming. I could just throw some Pink Penalen on there. Because our next combo is going to be pink. Pink with baking soda. Oh, there's 3 brothers? I'm glad you like it, Marcel. I forget their names. We are doing 2. We're going to do this one, and then we're going to do the pink/red one with our Okay, sounds good, China. You got it. I feel like Pink Penalen would go really good with the guava dish, so. Chris and Liam are good looking. The other is what's the other one's name? Okay, let's put the Lestville in. I don't think I even knew there was another brother. Should I put some more sponges in too? See, I don't even know who it is. And I have 9 more. If anybody wants to add some more lest oil, I have 9 more available. He's short and older than them. Man, I don't know who he is. I'm gonna have to Google it. I'm gonna have to Google him. It's just the original, Coley. It's just thicker and it's stronger smelling. Let me show you. Yeah, it's thicker and it's stronger smelling. Yes, Ari. Yes, yes. I was like, maybe we will go crazy and I'll get to add them all. I have 12 of them total. Professor, hello. Yes, yes, it's so good. Here, let me show you guys up close. So good. And you can tell it's like thicker. Thicker. Hi, Professor. How are you? Should I put some more sponges in? Let's see. Let's put an orange one in there. You want to drink it, Lance? Me too. I love lest oil so bad. I got so excited when you guys wanted to add. Thank you, Ari. sorry. Alexa, volume 2, please. Your jealousy's out of control. Oh no. Yeah, I just found it online. And I was like, let's try this. This looks yummy. This looks yummy. That's what I said. I do. I have 6 cans. 6 cans available. I have baking soda. I have 19 boxes of $2 baking soda. I have 1 more $5 box of baking soda. And our next combo is pink. We have pine sol, less oil, panelin baking soda in this. Is that everything, guys? We're about to put some dish soap in here too. Oh, this is so good. It smells so good. Uh-oh, Tink. The Pika is getting to you. Hi, Kelsey. Uh-oh, Kelsey's here. We gotta put Shorty sponge in. Gotta put a Shorty sponge in for Gills. Let me grab one. Thank you, Mari. Grab. We almost got caught slipping. Almost got caught slipping. So we have 1 more of the green fabulosos available for the green combo. This green combo, we're about to put some dish soap in too. Ari, did you want your, puzzle time. Did you want your Ariel put in this or in the pink combo? Hi, Alex. Oh crap, hold on. Let me squeeze this really quick and then I gotta do the puzzle. Don't let me miss it either. I've been taking iron capsules. But I only take like 1 or 2 a week because I haven't been tested. But I figure since I'm so addicted to cleaning products, I probably need iron. So I've been taking vitamins. But I don't want to lose my love for Clean Tot. Thank you, Mari, for the heart me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mari, how's your family? Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. I saw a video, you guys, and it was this little fella, and he's been asking for a puppy for 6 years. And he finally got his puppy, and he was crying. It was so sweet. It was so sweet. It was so sweet and cherish. Like when kids are so sweet about stuff like that, it's heart-wrenching. It tugs at your heartstrings. Thank you, Anxious. Thank you so much. Ooh, I know what we can do too, guys. We can go back and forth from our green to our pink. I can put the pink on the table right here next to me, and you can do that. Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, we can just go back and forth, right, Anxious? This feels good, because I don't want to put this away yet. This is really, really yummy. So I'm in love with that left oil. Ooh, Tamsin, let me show you what's left. Anybody else who